So bioblitzes are very rapid assessments of all the living things in a particular area. That's getting people out, usually just the general public often, and scientists together, and to assess or document the different types of species in any particular area. And this one was focusing on insects and other invertebrates. I work for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service as a fish and wildlife biologist. I'm here today in Skagway as just kind of an independent entomologist, excited about getting kids connected with aquatic insects.
They're mobilizing, school kids in those efforts, hopefully throughout the nation. My name's Ryan Belmore. I'm an aquatic ecologist for the Pacific Northwest Research Station for the Forest Service. I think events like this are really important because, we talk about the importance of things like biodiversity, right? But it's hard to really grasp hold of those things until you really get out in the field and see it for yourself and have discussions and become a naturalist, a young naturalist. And it's those type of early experiences that can really shape how a person thinks about the natural world and maybe how they decide to live their life. I mean, it was early experiences like this for me that actually helped me decide what I want to do.
We don't just need these special tools and wonderful equipment. We got to have a good attitude, lots of energy and curiosity.
Let me grab some. I'll help.
With a bunch of kids from a school, you can collect a lot of different invertebrates. And then we're sending these off to experts somewhere, so they'll be able to identify them, document them, and put them in a museum, and perhaps write some papers about the new things that we found here.
Is there something you really want to check out?
My dad introduced me to insects at an early age, and it just stuck, and ever since I've been collecting insects, studying them, and trying to document in Alaska the diversity of aquatic insects, particularly dragonflies.
There's little nets and we're gathering bugs and sucking them up with these. There's actually some bugs in the little jar. Then you put the bugs in a bag of alcohol and they get sent to an insect study museum.
Children are spending much less time in nature than they'd have in the past, and it's such a great place for them to learn about our environment, to get fresh air, and to learn about the various species that occur around them and how important they are to the earth and to their lives as well.
They're killing each other! Or they're having babies.